Welcome everybody. We're starting out a little bit earlier maybe. No wonder why. TraderBird is not working. Oh, I thought that they fixed it already. What the heck is going on? What is going on? I don't understand. Anyway. That sucks, man. I mean, I don't know what the heck is going on. All right, let me set up the charts and everything. All right, we should be okay. All right, just ahead of the open with about 15 minutes. And I'll be looking for some significant levels here. And looking for some levels on the 15-minute as well. Up there is almost like a bearish order block-ish thingy. On the 15-minute starting at 882. If it would continue higher, I do like that area. Obviously, we don't know how far can we go. The 678 is still down there, which is a daily low. Let's check out which day was it. It was 19th of November. Okay. 19th of November. Is that it? $678. So that would be a possible target if we start to dump down. Zoltan, welcome, üdvözöllek. Good morning. Long only? Okay, so it could be a bear trap. Let's see. Feels like it wants to drop. Obviously have to be careful. If anyone wants to risk it for the biscuit, you guys can do it with about a micro. I'm thinking to enter with a micro. Who knows? For fun, you know. The low is 27.25. $27.25. 65.75. Because actually that's also like a bullish order block. Took a trade with 1 micro. Not a big deal. Just 1 micro. I know we are ahead of the market open. I know. But it's for fun. It's for fun. My stop is currently at 20.50. But I'm walking into the trap. Kenny, hey there. Yeah, I'm in a short, but hey, with only 1 micro on a funded account. Currently, I have a funded account which is down $87, and I entered the short based on the 5-minute target, and also the somewhat the 15-minute, but we have this November 19 low down there. Low hanging fruit, if this one starts to go, is the 5-minute bullish order block or demand area, whatever you want to call it, down here. This is what I'm looking for. That would be the low hanging fruit. Stop loss is somewhere around, well, it's very tight. It's only at 20. So if it takes me out, no problem. I'm gonna lose about 70 or 80 bucks, which is fine. What's up, Red? What's going on? What's up? What's up? Let me show you guys the trade. Where am I? I was scalping a little bit, but where is the account? Not this one. This one, okay. Okay, so this is where I took the short. If this would close or trade below the 760s, I might just move the stop to break even, but we'll see. It's only market open. Gonna be wild. Again, it's a small risk. Very, very small risk. If I can make this trade, I can just barely make back that small loss. Overall together, today I made 520 on this funded account with Apex, 244 with the other one. This one nothing, and this one made 157. All of them were traded separately. And the only loss I have is this MyFundedFutures account. Unfortunately, I'm down 87 bucks. Hey, daily dose of therapy, 650 for the day. Oh, lock yourself out. Lock yourself out immediately. That's not even a question. That's not even a question, man. Immediately lock yourself out for the day and keep the feeling. Keep that good feeling. Good job there. Can't stop the feeling, you know. All right, 7 minutes until the open. I think it might want to sweep the lows again. By the way, it's official. Take Profit Trader has deleted the daily loss limit. And except for the rhythmic accounts, it is changing for the trade await accounts as well. So if you already have an account with them, they are changing it for the existing accounts as well, except the rhythmic accounts, unfortunately. But if you reset your account, then it's going to be changed as well. All right. This is very risky what I'm doing here. Very, 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 very risky. Maybe I should just close it, right? No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. It's fun. We're laughing. No, we're not. We're not. We're definitely not laughing, and it's not fun. This is serious. All right, less than 5 minutes to go. Hersho! Hey! How's it going? Good to see you, man. How you been? I'm okay, doing great. So far we're having a decent day. Small loss on this MyFundedFutures account so far, and I'm sitting in this trade, but only with one micro. But hey, we're cool. There's how the day trading drawdown works in taper trader. Does it reset? Yes. Yes. So your end of day balance, which is resetting at I think it's like there's a pause for 1 hour on the markets starting from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard until 6 p.m. But yeah, that's the reset time. So the end of day balance is going to be counted as the next day starting balance. So your drawdown, your max loss limit, because they just erased the daily loss. Your maximum loss limit is going to be counted from the starting balance in the morning or after the reset. So it doesn't matter. For example, an intraday trading account. Example, if you make $1,000 on a trade, but if you're not closing it, that's going to be your high watermark, and you're going to trail your daily loss or daily stop out limit. And if you close your trade, for example, not on $1,000 but only on a $500 mark, then you gotta be aware that your stop loss has been trailed, and that extra $500 is going to count, which you did not close in profit. Good morning, Vietnam, Kirktown. Start over. How you doing, man? Almost at market open. I don't know if I should close this or not. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I should put this to break even, 91.50. Okay. If it would spike up, at least I will be all right for the time being. So it's a free trade now, everybody. At least it's a free trade. House money right now. Let's see what it's gonna do. Oh, I should have known that it's gonna trail back or go back. On the 5-minute chart, we have a bullish order block here, or supply area down there, somewhere around 2750-ish. I'm gonna modify my TP at 2750 just to make sure if it go down there. I don't think it's gonna go. I think it's just gonna pop higher, sweep the orders, and then maybe it will go down. But hey, you never know. You never know. All right, market is about to open. Get ready. Get ready to rumble. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here it comes. The market is open for business. What's it gonna be, Nasdaq? I don't have a good feeling about this position. It's gonna take me out, I guess. We don't have any news. So whatever comes, it's gonna happen. Uh-oh. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's really alright. You guys remember this song? Back in the 90s? Okay. So far nothing. Might be sweeping higher. Unfortunately for me. Oh, picked up a 1 minute gap there. Oh. Is it gonna go for the order block down there? Is it gonna go for it or not? Okay. Okay. Oh. Indecision. It's gonna sweep orders. What a shame. I really thought that this one could work out. Anyway, it was a good run. Now we're still in, don't worry. Dude. Look at this. No first presentation gap so far. Price has been held down. It would make more sense in a way to go down and continue to take out the November 19 low. But I guess we'll find out soon, right? Currently, this is just a coin toss here. Nah, it's gonna push it. What a shame, what a shame. Trying to sweep orders, I think. Even if it wants to go up. That's why the low-hanging fruit, I think, would be down there. To sweep the orders below the order block. That would make more sense to me. But it's having a really hard time here. Oh man, it was looking so good. Oh, what a fight. What a fight. Yo, hello teacher FX. Hey, good to see you. What's up, what's up? Did I say Happy New Year to you? maybe. I don't know. If I didn't, Happy New Year. Good to see you. How was the weekend? How is everything? Hope trading goes well. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Oh man, is it gonna take it out or what? I have to modify my TP, I think, just to make sure. I don't know. Looking for the bottom tick there because I don't like all this price action. It can just bounce at the bottom right there, but I don't know if it ever gonna go back down again. There could be a delay in the charts. So I modified my TP to 29.25. I just had to. I just had to do it. But still, not sure. Jeez. Still no first fair value. Do we have a first fair value gap? No, we don't. And don't forget the 678 is down there. The November 19th gap. So it's very close. This is the only trade I'm in, and I'm still wondering. You can't make this up. All right. Nice. I recovered my account at least. I think I made like $20 profit. Oh yeah. $36 profit. This account was in drawdown. This account was in drawdown. Actually, not even $87. I was down like almost 200, but you guys didn't see that because I did that off stream before the stream. All right. November 19 low would be the final. I mean, I would be looking for that 678. Now, I'm not saying it will go there, but it would make sense because it's an old low. It's such an old low, the 78. I'm just tempted to chase it with an evaluation account, to be honest. So, I don't know. I'm tempted to chase it with an eval. Well, we might see. Okay, we have the first presentation gap here at 36. Totally forgot that. So keep in mind 678. Important. Very important level. Check it out on the daily chart. First fair value gap. Let's see how it's going to react. Let's see the reaction. I'm gonna start Spotify here. Okay, we're back to the first fair value gap. Let's see, is it going to invert it? Gotta be careful, everybody. I would be careful. Maybe a good opportunity to go short if we anticipate that the 678, let's see, if the 678 gets knocked out. Actually, I'm already too late. Maybe on a different account. Enter the short on another account. Targeting the 680. Actually 681, but who cares? Terrible entry. Looking for the November 19 low. Very small risk. This is on a different account. Only risking about $100 on this trade. Not copy trading this. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, 680. Let's go. Let's go. Small risk, guys. Small risk. We need that 680. We need that. We all need that 680. Oh no! Rejecting. It was so close. How far were... Oh, only... Oh. We were only like 20 points away. 22. Oh. Can't win them all. I told you, small risk. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that's it. I tried. All right, this account is down $106. So close. So close. What a bounce. What a bounce. Was looking good. And the rejection is quite big. 60, almost 70 points rejection immediately. And let's look at the 5-minute for targets. Nothing here. Absolutely nothing. There's a 5-minute gap here which we can sweep, because this is like a bullish engulfing 5-minute candle. If it closes like this in about 33 seconds. So I am going to extend this, use a different color. 5-minute CB. And we're gonna continue to monitor what's going on here. Macro is kicking in soon. No liquidity has been swept here. And unfortunately, this is not a bullish order block, so everything looks like it wants to go up. Unfortunate. We were so close. I'm not taking this, although it seems like a nice structure shift and going higher. I'm just not taking this. Not now. I don't know. I don't know. It feels like this was a squeeze. And now we could be going for down to that down for that 680. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't trust the longs here, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I jump in. I jumped in again. I re-entered, targeting 680.50 again. Monitoring a close stop. Gonna get stepped out again, I'm afraid so. There's a gap here. 64. My stop is at 71. I'm gonna be waiting on the sidelines after this. Whatever comes next. So the first gap is here. Nice reaction. Let's see if it's going to trade through it again or not. All right. All right. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right. Down 217 bucks on this one. That's it. Okay. I had the fun. Now we're done with this account. Now we're done with this account. All right. Where does it want to go? I wonder. Let's watch this. So far that gap was still holding. This one could be a potential long opportunity, but I feel like the sweep has not been completed on the downside yet. So I don't know. No entry. No entry. Price is still holding here. The macro is actually or should be working. The 950 macro, but we don't know where it wants to push it. No idea. Bit of a sideways action here. Maybe the new hour will give us a direction. It's not going for that old low, that 678 so far. It doesn't want to go for it, which is interesting, but what can we do, right? Still on the same spot. 8 minutes from the macro. And we just have to sit tight and see what it wants. Even if it would like to go down, it has to shift structure at least below to 745. But I don't think that's the case here. Kind of like accumulating positions to pop higher. And yeah, right now. So maybe it's picking up orders, we don't know. We don't know. There is liquidity here above the 41, I think. Not sure. Not sure. There's a flat candle above that 41, but I don't know if that's enough for it to break that level or not. I don't know. It should not have. The news are not that or should not be all that important, I would say. So, consistent trader, what's up? Happy to see you too. Thanks for popping into the stream. So, these news shouldn't be affecting the market too much, but still could be interesting turn of events. I wonder if it wants to sweep liquidity above that 41 or 40s or maybe to the 50s. There is a high at 47. If it wants to take that, but again, I'm not sure if it wants to sweep that level. That high is at, what's the high? 46 to be exact. Not sure if it will go for it. I think it took this high, or maybe created an equal high. I'm not even sure. This one is a very shorter block. That's why I put the 840 there. So gonna wait a little bit more. Got a perfect entry on gold. Oh, up 1,100 bucks. That is awesome. Yeah, you definitely have to lock yourself out. Lock yourself out. Okay, so far created equal highs up there. No sign of a bearish structure shift currently. Might go down now. I'm gonna watch this closely. On the 5-minute and the 15-minute, we do have some wicks. So let's wait and see if this one wants to return to the first fair value gap down there. Yeah, it's hard to decide what it wants to do. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it gonna form a structure? Now I need this current candle to stay above. Okay, never mind. This here actually now inverted that previous gap right there. So if we take this as an inversion, you know, and target the lows again, wow, look at that. I might even take a trade on this, who knows? It's very risky, that's the problem. Well, we like risk. Alright, since this was inverted, I took a short. Tight stop. I'm gonna target the 680 again. Based on the inversion of the first gap down here, but again, it's a risky one. I got attached to this too much. That's the problem. And maybe I should take off, you know, maybe one position if it gets down there. Apex trader weight still not working. Jeez, what the hell? That sucks. I don't know what the heck is going on with trader weight or with Apex, or I don't know. Sorry to hear that. I feel like this wasn't a strong inversion to go for the downside again. Okay, so Apex has the issue with trader weight now. Don't know what could be the problem. Oh man, this one sucks. I'm offside. I got too much merit to the idea that we will take out that low. I don't even want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I'm almost out. Yeah, I am out. Okay. Dang it. Dang it. Going for a new high, I guess. Or who knows. That 680 is not coming easy. It's definitely not coming easy. Please see it. What? Ghost flat then reverse back could go. What do you mean, Dave? Yeah, it's filling up the overnight gap. It looks like it might want to sweep orders above the 40s. Hard to say. Not sure. We have relative equal highs above the 40s, so it might want to pick up some orders from there, which we don't know. Not sure. There is a fair value gap at 47. I'm not sure if it wants to go there and fill up that one or pick orders from that area. I'm really not sure. Okay, up to the 50s now. Okay, have to look at this over again. The account is down $264. So, and the other accounts are up, but unfortunately, this MyFundedFutures account is not looking good. We didn't go for the low. We might be going for the 82. That's the only place where we can go. You know, up there. Oops. So I'm just wondering. Because that's up at 82. Small little pullback here. There's a bearish order block starting at 82. That's why I'm looking at on the 5-minute. Maybe I have to consider it as well. So far it's tricky. It's a tricky price action. Not sure I'm liking it. Or if it is shifting structure again at 792, maybe it can give us a possible short entry. Not sure though. The 5-minute CB is holding, or I should say reversed. Gotta wait. We might return down into the first fair value gap. Not sure though, but now that it swept liquidity, that would kind of make sense to go down to 39. How far is that? Yeah. Let's see how this is going to react here. On this 5-minute. Are we going to return to the gap which starts at 39? So is it going to go back to below the 40s or what? We took orders from up there, which is cool. But still no idea of how this is going to go. Shifted structure here, by the way. This gap, I'm sorry, this candle shifted structure here. Bearish market structure shift. Enter the short. I'm gonna add to the positions when it reprices this gap. Targeting the first fair value gap down there. Final TP would be the November 19 low. Here's my trade. Still targeting that first fair value gap down there. If we would return to it or into it. I decided to take full TP at the gap. If it goes down. If. Yeah, too choppy. Yeah. That's why I decided to try to take full TP. 95.50. I'm gonna put this to break even. Damn it. So I don't know if it goes down or what. This is the first presentation gap down there, which is not all that accurate. I'm just curious if it wants to go down to the 40s or not. All right, I took off a little bit because I need to cover my losses. I needed to take off a little bit because I was in a loss, so I needed to cover some of that. Hey Vivian, hey there, welcome. How are you today? How's the trades? And how is the day so far? Hope you're doing good. I think it wants to go back and reprice some levels. So the first fair value gap theory is right now it's not it's stalling a little bit. Yeah, no more daily loss limit. I'm super happy as well. So up 300 already. Congratulations. That is awesome. Yeah, everybody. So the big news is that no more daily loss limit on Take Profit Trader, which is awesome, I think. It's really great. It's really, really, really great. It's so choppy, I think it wants to go up and pick liquidity. And let's see, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I closed it manually. I had to cover some of it, and unfortunately, I'm still in drawdown, but I did well that I closed it. I'm still down $144. I don't know how, but I'm still down. This is just not going the way as we suspected it to go. I think it's because of the old low, because the 678 is so close. That's why it is. I mean, it can't break to the upside, and it just can't take the downside as well. So, covered a bit of my losses, but still in a drawdown, but not too much. Greg, welcome. The construction is looking good, I must say. And oh, the picture I promised you. Come back tomorrow. I'm gonna have you a very nice picture. Look at the rejection on these wicks. Wow. Interesting. Repricing this gap. The 5-minute CB could be turning into support and pushing us higher. We'll see. Now on the higher time frame, for example on the 5-minute, I still like the 882 area. That looks good. That actually looks really good. The 15-minute is terrible. The 15-minute chart is actually terrible, but we picked up liquidity up above the 850s. So I do expect some kind of a delivery to the downside. Maybe this was a market maker sell model in a mini version or something, I don't know. If I would see a bearish candle forming here on this 1-minute gap, for example this one, but it's not gonna do it, then if this candle would have turned bearish by covering the previous one, maybe I could have taken the trade. And I'm gonna put 678 will be the final target for November low. Now it starts to take a shape or a form. It's starting to look like it could be good. Okay, this is good. This is actually shifting. I'm ready to take an entry. An aggressive entry here. Boom. Super aggressive entry. Don't do this at home. And at least it's gonna make up for a good story. It might return to the first fair value gap here. So I'm gonna take a partial there. If it goes down to the first fair value gap again, then I'm gonna take a partial. Albert, good to see you. 350k Bulenox. Yes, let's go. Thank you. That is awesome. Since day one. Thank you for the compliment. I don't know what to say. I'm blushing, actually. I'm blushing. Thank you. Okay, looking for the fair value gap here. I might going to modify this partial to 40. Let's see if it goes down to the 40 or not. This is just a partial profit, nothing serious, so don't get overboard with this. I'm actually in recovery mode with this account. So we were close. We were close, but still not close enough. And if it takes that partial here, then I'm gonna try to hold it until November 19th, 19 low. If it goes for it. I mean, we are in the silver bullet hour. Okay, finally. I'm gonna put the final TP down to 81. And the stop loss is moving to break even 74.75. I managed to recover another $100 from the loss. I'm still down $77. If I would close the trade now, I would be at break even. So the account would be saved back to break even. But if we suffered this much together, I would say let's go for that November 19 low down there at 680. Let's check it out on the mini as well. Okay, let's see how that looks on the mini. Maybe we took it out on the mini, who knows. The low there is 78.50, so I think the 80 is a good target. That could be a good target. I like to see that level being taken. We are going through the first fair value gap now, and you know, we have a good chance to hit this one, I think. I don't want to jinx it. Though, but I think we have a good chance to hit this one. But it's looking good for now. I mean, it swept what it could. And now who knows? By the way, don't forget that today is the last day for the extremely good sale from TickTickTrader for the 100k instant funded account. Just saying. I'll be right back in a minute. I'm back. I'm sorry. I had to eat a snack. But don't worry, no sugar. This is just frustrating. Mm. Dude. Dude. Oh my god. This is extremely frustrating. This is a chop session. Officially. I think I can call it a chop session. It's gonna go way up and reprice everything. And by the way, it should be because this is a bearish order block on the 1 minute. So still not giving up. No food. Yeah, that's true. All right, I'm out from this. I took partial, so that's a good thing. So the account is down $77, but I was down nearly 300. Recovery mode engaged, right? But I don't know what to do with this, man. Reacted nicely. I feel like maybe I have put my trade too early to break even. Oh man. I think I put the trade too early to break even. That's what I think. There is still one more gap up there. I mean, on the 1 minute, I was almost super aggressive here, but I wasn't. Not the best price action so far. I mean, not bad, but definitely not the best. Chop session, yeah. Look at the 4 hours clear is chop. Oh yeah, chop suey. And look at the 15-minute as well. I'm still eyeballing that 678, but do I have any orders? Hope not. Okay, no orders left on the table. One more. The first fair value gap made it to bounce off again. So far, this is not something I like to see here. I want to see the reaction, or I want to see a shift again to the downside. I still have not given up to to go for that low, but I want to see a possible reaction here. I want to see a reaction. All right. Almost like a classic head and shoulders, you know. And haven't even touched the 700 down there. Yeah. I like to think that this one wants to go lower. but I think first we have to wait for it. To go into maybe that higher gap up here on the 1 minute chart. Okay, there you go. Small little push. Okay, now we're in the gap. Which is basically an order block. This here on the 1 minute, we are in a bearish order block. I'm not particularly a fan to take a trade based on the order block. Actually, I want to see the order block fail at 814. You see, that's what is happening. That's what is happening. High of this one could go 814. Okay. This 5 minute CB is, we can definitely say it's an important level. It is an important level. And it's going up. Look at all these wicks. Not good. Not good. Look at the 1 hour chart. Whew. Oh my god, look at the 1 hour. Indecision. Look at this doji candle on the 1 hour. Nobody knows where we want to go. Are you using an indie for? No, I don't. I draw it with the rectangle tool, and I have a default setting to draw the mid level of the gap. That's all I'm using. All right, pushing it. I'm still not sold on the idea to go up, but you know, I'm open for suggestions from the market. Quick look on ES. A quick look on ES. Look at this. 58.48 could be taken super easy. There's a fair value gap. ES is gonna stay bullish, I think. The fair value gap, the high is 58.49.25. I'm going to put an alert on ES. If it takes it, at least we will know that on NQ. Oh yeah, look at this, the 1 minute just keeps pushing. I'm not jumping on this one. 3 top step, 1802 take profit trick. Congratulations, Kirktown, awesome job. Awesome job. Well, the overall trend looks bearish to me, but it's still like it wants to squeeze some more orders. It's just you know, trying to decide myself too, but interesting how we didn't go for the low. Thank you, Cartown. Vivian, overall bearish. You're overall bearish. Let's scalp. Yeah, I mean, of course, you can take some good scalps here. It was quite a strong push, you know, looking for these swing highs, you know, a few points here and there. Why not? If you're using a tight risk management, then yeah. It's too dark here. I have to make some more light. Just a second. Now it's too bright. If this candle closes around this level, it could be forming a structure again to go short. I know, but still. Seems like I'm still hoping for the 678, which seem to be far, far, far behind us by now. I mean, the distance is quite big. I mean, according to the volume here, 150 points. It's not gonna make it. But no worries. We are ready. Still waiting. Inversion gap 763, entry risking 20 for 40 handles. Minis. all right, Kirktown, be careful. Be careful. I am. Oh, I mean you were. Okay. Nice. Okay. I understand. Okay. I'm just seeing the numbers here. That's a good one. Good risk to reward. All right, coming back to the midnight level. Look to the left here on the 5-minute. Very short block at 81 for now. I think that would be the area where this one is going, or 82. All right, entered a small little long position targeting. Jesus, that was too loud. That was ES actually. Getting into the fair value gap, which is not a good sign for me. I entered a small scalp with 2 micros here. Not really a fan of the idea. All right, I actually exited. I'm sorry. Okay, so ES has taken liquidity. ES taken the fair value gap. I made 30 bucks, which was not the target here, but it can still go. Yeah, on the sidelines. Better to be on the sidelines here, I guess. Re-entered again, targeting the 79. No stop yet. The reason why is if you look to the left, there is a bearish order block at 82 or supply area, whatever. You know, guys, I love those areas. So it's above the 80s. So I'm targeting 79 for a quick scalp. I don't even have a stop loss yet. Now I put on a stop, but let's see. And this was too early. I don't care. I don't like it. Closed it. I don't like it. Still, I think 82 would be a good target. I'm gonna be on the sidelines for now. I'm gonna just watch. The better entry on this, which I missed, was actually down here. But that was a risky entry. So yeah, we are somewhere around previous day low or Asia low. So we're hovering here. There are orders above the 80s. I'm sure about that. I'm absolutely sure that we have orders up there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but look at that. I think it wants to go there. Into the 80s, I think. I think it wants to pop into the 80s, but not sure. It's definitely an order block. All right. All right. Okay, let's wait and let's see what it's gonna do here. We could be shifting to the downside. I have no trade on, but let's look at the 5-minute. 5-minute looks interesting. Okay, is this a shift? Can this be considered as a possible shift? There was a shift here on the 1 minute, basically. Which is cool. Oh, finally, Apex is up. Nice. Finally. They fixed it. So, bearish market structure shift there. And I'd like to see an expansion lower. Maybe. I don't know. Could we go for the lows there? Can we go for the lows? Not really my type of entry here. But it sure looks damn good. I wonder if it wants to pick up orders from the gap or not. Alright, entered another short with only one micro. That's my problem. I'm looking for these lows. Looking for that 681.50. it's definitely a risky entry. So I don't even have a stop loss on it yet. I'm gonna put a stop there for now. And I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna happen. I mean, we taken liquidity on the 15-minute and on the 5-minute as well. We have a beautiful old low from November 19. I mean, we have some good targets on the upside as well, but you know, this was the macro here. So the macro is a good sign that it could be shifting. So now that it's shifting now during the macro, it could be a good sign of a possible price delivery for later. And also we had this displacement, structure shift. Kind of like it. You know, we'll see. What do I think? I think the November 19 low is still in the cards. That's what I think. That's what I think, but you know, what is the macro? So the macro is a bunch of small algorithms. Those are activated usually 10 minutes before the new hour. And small algorithms, and the main purpose of those algorithms is to sweep liquidity and sweep orders, and not just to sweep orders, but to inject liquidity or volume orders, boost liquidity in the market. So those usually happen 10 minutes before the new hour, and you can actually check the charts. I mean, not all the time, but many times you can see that just exactly 10 minutes before the new hour, the candles are starting to, you know, shake up, literally like shaking up and down, and some orders are coming into the market. Usually we can see some sweeps or possible push or drops, or maybe change of delivery. So a series of small algorithms, basically. That's what it is. And you know, it started here at 1050 up there. Started to shift here, shifted the structure here, created the displacement. It feels like yes, it's an ICT concept. I mean, I'm not married to the macros, so there are people who are, or traders who are trading the macros, only the macros or whatever. I'm sorry for my pronunciation, but a lot of traders are using the macros. I'm not particularly, but I do, you know, watch for price action during those times, like now. For example, now I don't like this. I don't like this price action. I mean, I don't like that it's trying to push higher. Actually, I'm gonna lower my risk, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. But you know, the good thing, I got quite a few messages that, hey Tom, why are you trading with micros? Because it's not making money. Well, maybe this trade is not gonna make money, but if it gets to the TP level, I can make $300 with one micro. But obviously that's true. You have to aim for bigger risk to rewards, or or bigger targets. Oh, had me muted. All right. Hello, Teacher FX. What's going on again? What's up? Were you trading something? Yeah, so it seems like I'm still hoping that this one can go down. The first fair value gap is still down there. You know, it would be awesome to see this one being delivered to make a new low. I'm actually considering to move this to break even because at least it would be house money. You see, the market hears me. Whenever I say break even, it moves to my entry. That's so typical from the market. It's watching me. Okay, I think, I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna move it to break even. 30.75. Sorry, 31.25. Who cares? All right, it's at break even, so that's it. House money right now. We can just sit back and relax, you know. I wish it would be always that simple, right? Okay. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Still aiming for 681. If it goes back, if it goes down to or below the 750s, I'm gonna move my stop to 18. That's what I can do. No, actually, that's not what I wanted to listen. I have a very good James Bond music here. You know what? I'm moving the stop. Securing a little bit. Because if it would trade above the 18, it would definitely just would go higher and higher. So that would make no sense to hold it above 18. Yeah, looks okay for now. I'll try to trail this. That's what the plan is. So let's see how it's going to react to the first fair value gap down there, and we'll see. My target is the same, 81.50. Let's see. Okay, all right. Still gonna wait. Creating a swing high here. So next would be, and this is actually interesting. So we have a bullish order block down there. If this would trade below that, maybe I could pull my stop to 81. Yeah. Thank you, Nathan. Yeah, let's just see. And that's why I put my stop, not too much with a micro, but it doesn't make sense to hold this trade if it goes back above 18, 818, because obviously then it's just going to continue higher. But in this session, I pretty much, attached to the idea to go for that daily low. Okay, now on the 1 minute, it has actually repriced everything that it could. So now comes the decision point. Is this enough for the market or wants to go lower? I would like it to go lower. Or was it enough for it? And boom, goes higher. Let's see. Hey, Methodical Man is in the house. The man of the hour. Or maybe I could call you Shock of the Hour. No, not Tom Sabo guarantee. That's just the November 19 low. That's it. I'm gonna trail this, and see what's gonna happen. How you doing over there? How was the trade so far? I hope you're printing money. I was waiting for your fat to fit video, to give me some motivation. I was in the gym today. I was like, damn, I'm losing my motivation because Methodical Man is not doing it as well. So how should I go to the gym without that? You posted it? Oh, then I haven't checked it. Oh, sorry. I wasn't too much at the computer today, except the stream, but I was like in and out. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Awesome. So you're green. Awesome. I'm green as well. I'm getting closer to a payout on this MyFundedFutures evaluation, but this was in drawdown, so I managed to go back to break even, $36. But I'm at $2,305 now on this MyFundedFutures account, and this other one currently is I have a $150 open trade, and I'm up 1,164. But today's winner is this Apex account, 520, getting closer, and some others. Yeah, let's go. 20 fundeds. Woohoo! All right. All right. That is awesome, dude. That is awesome. Oh, I dropped my chopstick. Oh, I have it now. All right. If we get down to this gap, I'm gonna trail the stop lower. The problem is that, the launch hour can do some crazy stuff. Or maybe it will drop, who knows. Yeah, maybe that's why. I told you guys, this is what I use to keep my sanity in control. But whoa, 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 whoa. Jeez. All right, let's do a giveaway, Reza.
Hi Tom and everyone, hope you all doing well. No payout so far this year, but working to get it. Let's make someone's day a $50 giveaway. Smiley face.
Let's do that. All right, Reza. Dude, a real gentleman here. A real gentleman. All right, we had a giveaway in London session. Now, from the courtesy of Reza Banks, again, we're doing it again. All right, let's do this. Hold on. Let me set this up. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. In the name of the community, let me log in and set this up. So just give me a second. Giveaways. I had an apology giveaway this morning in London. Because I was ranting on Kellyanne. I'm regretting it already. Okay, confirming. And it started. Exclamation mark cash, $50. Reza is always thinking about everybody. Exclamation mark cash. It started. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's a real gentleman. And I promised you guys there's going to be more giveaways this week. It's only Monday. So keep up, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, you know. And there's going to be more. We're throwing away money. No, we're not. And you know, while we're waiting for this trade, let me just put in the commercial that Take Profit Trader has finally deleted the daily loss limit. No more daily loss limit with Take Profit Trader, and 50% off. So more than 40 in the last month. Now 50% off, but does include an activation fee, but still no daily loss limit. Check it out. Jolma is here. Jesus. Oh my God, Jolma, the other man of the hour besides everybody. The chopsticks. Doing good. How was the trade so far? How was the stream? Jolma, good to see you. I'm sitting in this trade. $200 on the funded. Let's go. I'm green on most of the accounts, so I'm not in a drawdown, fortunately. So a few $100 here and there. So looking good, looking good. Looking good. Green is green. Exactly. Whoa, Visim, welcome to the channel. Thank you for the subscription. I'm gonna say this because Methodical Man is not here. You the man. He says it better. Green on my 3 PAs and up 477 on the Eval I have traded. Nice. Also, totally forgot, the last day on Tick Trader for the big discount on the instant funded accounts, you can get 100k. It's only for the 100k core account. So the 100k instant funded account is $369 with one of the best discount codes. Draw already. Yeah. Oh, you're looking. Okay. Nice. No, I'm not gonna draw. I'm not gonna, because I think you're hacking the system. So I'm not gonna do anything. But again, we just started. We have to give some time to everybody. Gets me more viewers. As soon as the giveaway is over, everybody's just gonna, you know, that's it. Thank you. By the way, you're just printing money. You don't need this. You don't need this. Oh man, I was really hoping that it will go down. Almost, Jonathan. 1A minus. As soon as I get a displacement lower, I'm gonna move my stop lower. Come on. Let's go trade through the gap here. She's so picky. I am. All right, let's go. Moving. The problem is that the distance is still not Too good. 30 points. It can just pop 30 points in 1 second. So, I don't know. I want to leave more room for this to breathe. It can just go sideways until the lunch hour. So, I'm gonna wait for it. But if it goes down or closes into the gap or through the gap, then yeah, I'm gonna. So exclamation mark cash. We have 29 participants in the giveaway. I'm gonna put it here. 29 participants already. Oh. I don't like this. I don't want this to push. The only good news is that on the 5-minute, the price delivery has been pretty much sufficient. So there's not too many reasons for price to go back into my entry. Actually, it should be trading through that that first first fair value gap or first presentation gap. Obviously, it can pick up orders, maybe up until 800. Cool, but that's it. Maybe the problem is I was looking for a home run here. Yeah, the chopsticks are good to scratch my back. How are we doing with the giveaway? 30 people entered. Exclamation mark cash. From the courtesy, or by the courtesy of Reza Banks again. I don't even know how many times now. I think he spent like thousands of dollars on this stream. Uh, 5 minutes are forming like doji candles in the past 15 minutes or so. So quite interesting. Oh man, I was really hoping that it will close down that gap lower. Daniel is here. Oh, another OG. Daniel, what's up? What's up? Enter the giveaway, Daniel. Reza Banks had sponsored this New York Sessions giveaway! Exclamation mark cash. Sideways action. If I really think about it, this can go on all the way until lunch hour. What do you guys think? Should I be staying until lunch hour? Definitely not, right? Or maybe should we sit through this trade through lunch hour, maybe even the PM session? How about we were talking about that 14-hour stream? Is that 14-hour? Yeah, 14-hour stream. Just watching the chat. I'm doing okay. Enter the giveaway, Daniel. If you haven't already. Oh, you entered. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. All right. Yeah, pretty much chop in the past like 20 minutes almost. So I want to see the November 19 low. Actually, I'm gonna write this here. Text. November 19 low. All right. That's it. Now you guys know what why I'm doing this. It might not go down there actually. I mean, we could end up in a chop. MB Trader, what's going on? Good morning. Up on the day. Yeah, overall I'm up. So let's just go through a few accounts. This Apex account is up 520, up 1,747. This other one is up 244, 1,613. This one is nothing but has $1,067 on it. This one is up 150. All these accounts were traded separately, so no copy trading. Absolutely did not copy trade any of these. These other ones, this is down $1. I don't know why. And this is almost a new one. Well, it's a new one. Did not trade it too much. $476. But so this is nothing. The Bulenox accounts are pretty much down. I mean, no trade. 679, 562. So I had to start from scratch with Bulenox, and these are going to be in the daily recap videos. The MyFundedFutures account. This is the one that the trade is on right now, swimming in $133. Overall up $18 for the day. But the other account is up $36. This one is the closest to payout, $2,305 currently. I'm aiming for $2,700 at least, so not too far away. But yeah, Wayne, so far green day. No copy trading for me so far, because I always lose big time when I copy trade. So I had to just leave that anyway. Yeah, thank you, Jama, but you know, I have Quantower built-in copy trader. So the only one is that I'm using is for MyFundedFutures, but you can. It's not even running right now. It's stopped. But I'm using the built-in for Quantower. That's what I'm using. All right, everybody, let's pick the winner, shall we? Because everybody has stuff to do. We have 33 participants. No problem, Wayne. 33 participants. Enter the giveaway now. I'm gonna count down from 5. Exclamation mark cash if you haven't entered already. Today is my dad. All right. All right. Big T. Okay. Money. All right. Let's see. Good luck, everybody. I am going to close the entries. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, closing the entries. And I'm covering the chat, so that's it. And let's just start this. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway, all right, by Reza Banks, so thank him, is gonna be someone who is not a bot, hopefully, who is an awesome trader, who's always here, and not just for the money, but for me, who's always helping out the stream by pushing the like button. Anyway, let's get on with it. The winner is no other than 3, 2, 1. Mainly Trades is the winner of the $50 cash giveaway. Congratulations from Reza Banks. So, congratulations. Mainly Trades, make yourself known. If mainly, oh, here he is. We were hoping that he's not here because then we can reroll. Awesome, Mainly Trades. Congratulations for the win. I'm gonna type in my my email address here, and hopefully you have PayPal. I really hope that you have PayPal. I can send it to you in PayPal in 1 second. If not, then I'm gonna borrow some money from Methodical Man. Maybe 100 or 200. I don't know. All right. Here's my email. Please send me your PayPal email, and I make it happen. Congratulations again. Kirktown won? Oh, jeez. Okay. This was nice. Thank you again, Reza Banks, for sponsoring today's giveaway. I don't know if we can survive this until lunch hour. Because look at this. 40 points to our stop. I have a feeling that it wants to sweep again some orders. Not sure if we get down to that level that we wanted to. But if we do, it's going to be a nice win. November. November. Okay. November. All right. Fine. Ollie, good morning. Well, we're sitting in a trade, but you missed the giveaway, Ollie. We had a $50 giveaway sponsored by Reza. So, you missed it. But good to see you here. Don't go anywhere. I forbid you. There's always another one. That's the spirit. Oh man. This is gonna take us out. No problem. No problem. We're still happy. By the way, there is a 15-minute gap here, which we are repricing, or could be the issue with the prolonged drop here. 15-minute gap up until 93. So that's not bad. And look at how the 15-minute gap actually nicely rejecting so far from the midsection. 15-minute CB. Is that a CB? I think it is. Yeah. So the 15-minute CB is rejecting for now. But oh, never mind. Why did I say that? It's not rejecting. Damn it. But still. Anyway, it damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I think it's done. I think our trade is done. It was a nice ride. All right, I received. I just need a confirmation. I just mainly trades. I need a confirmation on the chat that you have hand in your name, or in the name which I received the email from. If yes, then it's fine. You know, just to make sure that I'm not sending to someone else. If you have Daniel is going away. Why are you waving? Are you going away, Daniel? Don't go away. Another Wyckoff accumulation on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I mean this was an accumulation, but yeah. Oh yes, okay. Thank you, mainly trades. Okay, I am doing it. Okay, I always ask something about the email just for confirmation. You know, who knows? I did receive last time some unwanted emails to claim some prizes. All right, on it. Okay. All right. It's done. I hope. I'm just waiting for PayPal to confirm. All right, it's done. It has been confirmed by PayPal. Congratulations. You have hand in your name? Oh. Okay. True. True. You tricked me. I sent it to you? Did you really now? All right. All right. All right. I'm gonna remember this, man. I'm gonna remember this. Hey, you're welcome, and don't thank me. Thank for Reza Banks. He was sponsoring this New York Sessions giveaway. I'm just the middleman here, so the money has been sponsored by Reza Banks, and he's a real gentleman, always showing up for the community. All right, look at this. What is happening here? Can we finally see something good here? Some good trade, maybe? Just as I suspected it. Everybody, I mean, we dropped by 15 viewers as soon as we picked the winner. Okay, it's fine. It's part of the business. You know, got rejected here. Let's get back to the chart. I mean, I'm not saying it cannot go up. Obviously, it can. But then I would say this was a really like shitty session. I mean, the AM session. Maybe the PM session is going to be much better, but then I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, that November 19 low would still be good, but I'm not sure again if we can survive until lunch hour here, or until the macro at least. It's just gonna go up again. Well, I tried. I really tried. There is a fair value gap just above my entry at 34. Unfortunate, but I think that's where it wants to go. Uh, 834. If we close above the 800, then I don't know. Where did it close? 800.75. Not good. Not good. Small volume imbalance down there. Insignificant. Wants to sweep liquidity from 35, I think. All this energy has been wasted. Yeah, nice holding, but you know, the price action wasn't that good. Maybe the PM session. There's like a 90% chance that is gonna take me out on that swing, but I was still hoping that we can get through that gap again and go for that historical low or old low. And by the way, this high, all right, almost out. Yeah, damn it. Okay, we're out. Out from the trade. Out from the trade. But hey, I'm up $44 on this account. So, choppy Monday, yeah. I'm not saying we cannot re-enter, but it will be difficult, I think. The targets are not clear. On the 5-minute, if we look to the left and just look at London session, I like the zone up there. It starts at the opening at 82. So if this one wants to go higher, then it has to break the 80. Oh, sorry, you guys don't see it. Then it has to break that swing high, which is awesome. I mean, it can, but so far no entry. There was no inversion, nothing so far. Okay, swept liquidity. This candle, only this one has been swept, which is great. 5 minutes until the macro. Bearish candle. I like that. I don't know. I don't know. It can still go and take this high at 34, which is a 5-minute fair value gap at 34. I'm gonna delete that. Okay, we are at no man's land. Have to wait for the macro. We have a 15-minute bearish order block and also a 5-minute bearish order block. Everything is above the 880s. Don't like this area. All right, still waiting. 2 minutes until the macro. Two minutes until the macro. So what's up with you guys? Everybody sleeping or what? I guess you guys can go to sleep on my voice, right? I guess. Maybe I can tell some stories and you guys can be sleeping, you know, while we're waiting for some kind of a change here. Or shift or whatever. My favorite James Bond track. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, I cannot show you, but I can post the link. All right, because I love the 80s, my favorite James Bond track, one of my favorite, actually everyone is good. Every one of them is good, but I do like this one, you know. It's from License to Kill. I cannot play it because of the copyright issues. Oh, look at that. This is just an awesome song. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Louis Armstrong. Oh, that is also cool. That is also cool. That's a classic. All right. Almost at the lunch hour now. Picked up liquidity. I still feel like the drawn liquidity would be at least the low hanging fruit should be at 718. That's what I think. That would be the low hanging fruit. All I need is at least a miniature structure or a shift or something to take it. I want to take it. And by the way, we are inverting this gap right now, as far as I can tell. So, whoa, Audrey just subscribed to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the stream. All right, I am looking to enter a short because I'm crazy. All right. Enter the short. I'm already regretting it as we inverted this this gap here. I'm looking for 720 this time. My stop is up at 808-ish area. This is what I'm looking for right now. And below 720 we still have that November 19 low, but I decided to go with the low hanging fruit and take a full TP at 720. So look at her go. It's not, it's not over until it's not over. If it closes below the swing, I would like to see a down close candle below 59. That would be great. If not, that's still good. But if if this would close, then I would blah blah blah. I'm reducing my risk for now. So I'm reducing the risk. I'm not ready to move this to break even yet, but you know what? I'm just gonna move it to break even. 84. So it's at break even now. I'm not going to take partial on it for the stream. All right. Let's see if it wants to take that level. So we marked that up earlier, and I'm just curious if, what if Now we still have the first fair value gap down here. I'm gonna extend it to the lunch hour, and I'm curious really if it wants to go back. Maybe I could take a partial. How about that? You know what? Maybe no, I'm not gonna. Should I? I'm gonna take a partial. All right, I'm gonna take a partial. If it gets down there, if it gets down there, just to be safe. All right, partial has been taken. I have to modify these levels or these orders. What? All right, anyway, I'm gonna put down the TP and moving the stop back to break even. Stop is at break even. A few ticks lower just to cover some commission. And you know what? Now that we have taken partial, let's go. Let's go big time. Let's go big time. You know, we were really putting a lot of energy into that level, that 8150, right? So I think we all deserve together as a stream, as a community, to see that freaking 680 to go. Finally. It teased us so much. I was hoping it would sting into the 5-minute. Yeah. All I saw here is this inversion. Boom. Now comes the decision point. If we get below 14, maybe I should move my stop or do something. I don't know. But hey, the account is up $125, and we were down almost 200. So I managed to climb out of the hole. Even if I lose this trade, the account is gonna be up $125. So I think that's a good thing. I take $100 or $125 any day, at least in my country. Okay. So far, the first fair value gap is holding price. We are in the lunch hour now, officially. So I'm curious if the lunch hour is going to drop price to the November 19 low or not. That would be an ultimate victory, I think. I am 90% sure that it will take out or go down to 20. I'm 90% sure that it will take out the 720. I'm gonna tell you guys, if we take profit on this, I'm gonna play the License to Kill song on YouTube. I don't care about copyrights. I'm just gonna play the song. And I'm gonna walk away in the sunset like Clint Eastwood. Alright? if we take profit on this one, I'm just gonna put it in and walk away in the sunset. I had 3 micros on the move, cash 2. Last one is riding to lows. This could take my account out of drawdown. Let's go, Kenny. Let's go. You know, we have to get through this first fair value gap. The lunch hour, so we're actually not that far, like 50 points ish. We could see some repricing, but I don't really want to see a structure higher. We can go sideways in this gap, but it would be so awesome to see price dropping down finally. We were so close, you know. So, man, I don't like to see this. The problem is it's a full up close candle above the gap. I don't like that. That's not good. Anyway, we're not losing hope. The 15-minute has a very nice bearish candle formation. The 5-minute still needs 1 minute and 30 seconds to close. And so, yeah, I think we have a good chance still. 1-2 tech. Why? Because let me show you on the daily chart here. So this is the daily chart. We have a daily swing low. Actually, I can let me get this off here. November 19, right here. That's the main thing. I'm just guessing that there's a lots of orders or stops. Sorry, stops are resting below that level. I'm not saying we're gonna go down there. Obviously, there could be a huge rejection all the way up to even the 21K. So it can easily happen. Easily. Super easy. We saw that multiple times. But it's just so close. And this is an old low from 19th, right? November 19th. That's why I thought that, you know, why not finally after these, how much was it? Like almost 2 months. Take out these stops, institutional orders most likely, and there's a fair value gap below that, so there's liquidity. This is an inversion. I mean, that's why. That was the main reason. And so we were close. We're still close. And looking at these candles, I mean, yeah, it can go up, but it was looking like it could be one more push to the downside. That's why as soon as we inverted this gap, I thought, you know, after sweeping this high, why not go for it? You know, the 720 was my low-hanging fruit, which was actually taken. So by the way, just saying, we were talking about the 720 when we entered up there. So that was taken. 720 low-hanging fruit was taken. So from here, it's just a runner. That's it. It's just a runner from here. And we just have to sit back and enjoy the ride, even if it takes us out at break even. You know, that's the only thing we can do. Launch hour can still have some movement, and maybe just lets it go and drops it down. That would be awesome. My problem is that we are trading again above the first fair value gap after the market open, and I don't like that. We're trading above it. If we would go at least below the midsection of that gap, that would feel much better. Now it's picking up liquidity on the 1 minute fair value gap from this upper move. Let's see. This could be a decision point, everybody. This could be the decision point. If it would go lower, maybe we can move, or I can move the stop to 67, but until then, nothing. Greg, what's happening? What's going on, Greg? The construction is looking good. Or are you the other Greg? We had another Greg here in the stream. I don't know if it was you or not. How you doing, Greg? I am the Greg. Okay. You are the Greg. The OG Greg. Okay, you're the OG because we had another one. It's just hard to follow. Oh, guys, seems like, you know, what can we? I tried. The 720 was actually a good target. All right. The 720 was a good target. We climbed out from the hole, so obviously it's a winner. We did what we could, right? There's nothing more here to do. I tried. It picked up liquidity. That's the last savior here. This fair value gap is the last defense. But oh yeah, I remember. I do remember, Greg. I know it was a great time. Oh man. You know what I think? If I'm gonna get taken out here, which I think I will be taken out, yeah. And there you go. Almost. Jesus, so tempting. Okay, we're out. This 680. This will be taken. I took partials down there, so I took a partial. I'm fine. I made $100 on this trade, on a funded. Look at that. Look at this mother tucker. I cannot re-enter this one. This would be too much to re-enter. But mark my words. 680. You know, mark that up on the charts. Maybe later in the PM session. But hey, the 720 was a real nice low-hanging fruit. That worked out pretty good. To the tick. Look at that. Boom. All right. Everybody, I think this is it for me. We had an awesome stream. Made it to profit. I'm going to do a recap about this. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This was really an awesome session. I'll be back tomorrow in London session as usual, so please join me. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to support the stream, I would greatly appreciate if you use my codes and links. Take Profit Trader has deleted the daily loss limit. Huge advantage now with Take Profit Trader. 50% off currently. This is the new promo. MyFundedFutures 20% off from the Starter Plus account, or maybe the Starter 2, I'm not sure, but 20% off. Check it out with my code. Also, Tick Trader, the last day for the instant funded account. Take only the 100k core account. Check it out. 369 for instant funded account. Only today. Only today. Not from tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going back to 30%. And Bulenox 91% off. And check out the other ones too. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you all. And this was an awesome day. I really enjoyed it. So take care. And see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.